Hello students, this is the first problem under module 3. This is a question paper asked question. The fuel input per hour of plant 1 and plant 2 are given by F1 is equal to 0.2 P1 square plus 40 P1 plus 120 rupees per hour. Fuel cost to F2 is equal to 0.25 P2 square plus 30 P2 plus 150 rupees per hour. Determine the economic scheduling neglecting the losses for a load of 180 megawatt. Calculate cost of production for the obtained schedule. This is asked in December 1920 question paper. So solution goes like this. It is given F1 is equal to 0.2 P1 square plus 40 P1 plus 120 and F2 it is given 0.25 P2 square plus 30 P2 plus 150. This is the cost, this is the fuel input cost, right? So the incremental cost dF1 divided by dP1 can be obtained by differentiating the F1 with respect to P1. By differentiating F1 we get 2 into 0.2, it would be 0.4 P1 plus 40, okay, differentiation of P1 it would be 1 and differentiation of constant it is 0. Similarly, differentiate F2 with respect to dP2 will get the incremental cost. Okay, so differentiation of P2 square it is 2 into P2, 2 into 0.25 it is 0.5. 0.5 P2 plus 30, differentiation of P2 it is 1 and differentiation of constant it is 0. So we get 0.5 P2 plus 30. We know that neglecting losses dF1 divided by dP1 is equal to dF2 divided by dP2 or else dC1 divided by dP1 is equal to dC2 divided by dP2 so on is equal to lambda, correct? So equating both, okay, here dF1 divided by dP1 is equal to dC1 divided by dP1. Similarly dF2 divided by dP2 is equal to dC2 divided by dP2. So these are the incremental cost. So incremental costs are equal, neglecting transmission losses. So 0.4 P1 plus 40 is equal to 0.5 P2 plus 30. On rearranging we get 0.4 P1 minus 0.5 P2. Okay, taking 40 other side we get 30 minus 40, so it would be 10. Take it as equation 1. And also it is given determine economic scheduling for a load of 180 megawatt. 180 megawatt should be shared between two generators, right? So P1 plus P2 should be equal to 180. We take it as equation 2. On solving these two equations, we will see how to solve the equation. Okay, in this calc, press mode, okay, and we'll get options in that press 5. Okay, here we have two unknowns, right? So press 1. Okay, after pressing this we get a matrix. Okay, so coefficient of A, okay, first one is coefficient of A, here coefficient of P1 in first equation. What is coefficient of P1? It is 0.4. So 0.4. Okay, press equals. Okay, next B in first row, what it indicates? Coefficient of P2. Coefficient of P2 is minus 0.5. So press minus 0.5. Okay, next constant. Okay, constant, the term which is on right hand side, which is minus 10, okay, that is C, minus 10. Similarly, A in second row, it is coefficient of P1, coefficient of P1 is 1. Similarly, coefficient of P2 is 1, okay, and C it is 180, okay, press equals, we get X means what? It is P1 is equal to 88.88 megawatt, and P2 is equal to, once again press equals, we get 91.11 megawatt. Now we need to calculate the production cost. Production cost can be calculated like this. F1 is equal to, we know it is 0.2 P1 square. So P1 we got, it is 88.88. Just substitute 88.88 square plus 40 P1, 40 into 88.88 plus 120, okay, and F2 is equal to 0.25 P2. P2 we got 91.11. So 0.25 into 91.11 square plus 30 into P2, 91.11 plus 150. On solving, we get 5255.13 rupees per hour, okay, and F2 will get 4958.55 rupees per hour. Adding both, we get the production cost. Okay, production cost is equal to F1 plus F2, which is 5255.13 rupees per hour plus 4958.55 rupees per hour. Total it would be 10,213.6. Around this we get rupees per hour. This is the production cost.